open chapter 4, adding lighting fixtures. Double click to open it. You can find the link of the exercise file in the description below my YouTube video. You can click this link to download this exercise file to follow up with me. Right now we are in level 1. Level 1 power plan. Now I have to go to lighting plan, ceiling plans, level 1. So I can add the lighting because this lighting should be added on the ceiling. Now let me zoom in. You can find here there is the room tags already not added. So I want to add room tags. So there is another way to add this. I have to go to this annotation tab. Then you can find here this button tag all. I click this button. Then you have this box. Let me go down until I find this is a space tags. I select this box. Then I click OK. Now all tags automatically added. So everything is okay. Now let me zoom in and check this ceiling's dimension. To zoom in, let me go to this temporary dimension, align dimension. Then let me measure this one from here to here. So this is the first dimension. Again, this is the first dimension. I go a little bit up. It is already duplicate. So let me get out from this one. And again, I have to click this dimension from here to here. So this is the first dimension. I go out, then I click this one. Then I go measure this one from here to here. Now this is the dimension. Don't go to the center and click this. The program will divide the dimension to 2. So I go here outside, then I click. Now that my dimension is ready. So this is the panel of the fall ceiling panels dimensions. So now I need to add the lighting fixture. Let's go to here to system. Then I need to select this here lighting fixture. I click this button. Now I have this one lighting fixture. Here the category is lighting fixture. This one the family is a plain recessed lighting fixture, and the type this is the dimension of this type. So now let me click here and let me select the proper lighting fixture. So here let me find here there is no 610. So let me choose something is almost close. So this one is 600 by 1200. And 120 volt. Let me select this lighting fixture. Okay, now this already selected. Now the lighting fixture I can add it, but not now. I need to edit it. So I have to edit type. Then I need to create a new lighting fixture that matching my ceiling dimension. So I move this one. Let me move it here. Then I make from here duplicate. Let me put a proper suffix. So I click from here, for example, from my first name, AF underscore 600. So let me adjust this 600 to 610, and this one to 19, and of course this one will be 120 volt. This is the proper way to make any modification, to keep the original and make duplicate and make your own lighting fixture. So now this is my current lighting fixture. I need this one already. I changed the dimension. This is the name, not the actual dimension. So if I want to change the dimension, I need to go here to dimensions. So let me click here. Let me adjust this dimension to actual dimension 610, then 112.19. Now everything is correct. Depth here is 115, around 15 cm. Everything is okay. And here, for example, you can write what is the manufacturer, is Uncle Sam, and here the model number, whatever you want. Now my lighting fixture is ready to be selected. I click from like this, okay. Now this is my current lighting fixture, AF, and this is my new type. This is the type selector. Now this is my new type is already added. So now I am ready. If I want to place this lighting fixture to the ceiling, if you notice that I can't add it to the ceiling because I have some trouble. So here, if I look up down for regarding the placement, you'll find here there is three options: place on vertical face, place on face, and place on work plane. So I need to put it here, place on face. Then I click place on face. Now my lighting fixture is ready. So now it is horizontal. I needed to make it vertical. So with the space bar, I can rotate it like this. Now it is great. So let me place those lighting fixtures to this room. Let me select this one for example is here. Don't care about the location because finally the architectural engineer, he will adjust those locations and the ceiling. So let me add some here and let me add some here. I believe this is lighting fixture. Let me zoom in to see this is wall. I believe, I don't know, there is something here, but this I can fix it here. This is the one here. I can add one here. And regarding this storage room, I believe this one need one. So let me rotate it, space bar. I will rotate this one. Let me add one lighting fixture here in this storage room. I press the wheel to make some pan. So I need to, let me add this one here, for example, and this one here. Anyhow, don't worry about, as I told you, for example, this office area lighting fixtures is not distributed correctly, so the architectural engineer is responsible about that to adjust the false ceiling layout so to match these lighting fixtures become center in the office area. Now let me go this one. This one is diagonal, so I have to rotate again by using a space bar. Let me rotate. Now this is one is good. Let me put one here and I put another one here. Now all the lighting fixtures already placed, and you can set up the other rooms lighting fixtures. So I click from here, modify, and now we can go to the next step.